国有13亿人口，其中有11亿12亿生活在汾阳这样的地方，所以很多人以为我拍汾阳拍摄我的家乡，是因为我的家乡特别，但不是，反而是因为我的家乡它有普遍性，它是最中国的一个缩影。
I'm a small town kid with big city dreams. Nothing there is what it's supposed to seem. Rust on the gates, dust on the road, carrying everything nobody knows. Carrying everything nobody knows. 16 summers, same old streets. Bicycle rides past the factory gates. Dad clocks in at 6, mom never waits. I'm counting stars through cracked window panes. Teacher said, boy, stay in your lane, but the train tracks only go one way. Away, wrote my name on the water tower high. Proof I was here before I said goodbye. I'm a small town kid with big city dreams. Nothing here is what it's supposed to seem. Rust on the gates, dust on the road,